you mentioned about Shugenja and Yamabushi. I think they are very confusing. So are they the same thing, like a synonym, or they are a different thing?
Well, I think for most people, it is like a synonym. Shugenja, so ja means person, who practices Shugen, which is mysterious mastery person, Shugenja. Yamabushi is, Yama is mountain, and Fushi is like submitting, lying down, submitting. So a person who submits himself to the mountain's power. And so these are kind of like synonyms. Maybe today some people practice Shugen in the city. They have like a temple, looks kind of like a Buddhist temple. They wear black Buddhist robes. Maybe the kesa is a little different. And they might have a tokin, like a hat, but look pretty much like Buddhist priest. Yamabushi is one who goes into the mountains. And so they wear all white. We wear all white and go up into the mountains to find this connection with nature. You know, this all white, people in America may not realize it, but in Japan, white robes are what dead people wear for a funeral. Dead people wear white robes. So I was told that we wear all white in the mountains. So if we're killed, oh, we're ready for a funeral. We don't even have to get ready. It's giving up ego, giving up idea what I'm going to have, and just be totally open, even to the point of death.